Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn useful actions verbs with pictures and examples. Shatter. To break into many small pieces. The glass vase shattered when it fell. Nudge. To gently push someone or something to get attention. She nudged me to wake me up. Discard. To get rid of something that is no longer useful or desirable. She discarded the old clothes she no longer wears. Cling. To hold on tightly to something or someone. The child clung to his mother's leg. Poke. To push with a finger or a sharp object. She poked me to get my attention. Buckle. To fasten or secure with a buckle. Don't forget to buckle your seatbelt. Unbuckle. To loose the buckles of, to unfasten. Unbuckle your seatbelt, we are at our destination. Scatter. To throw or spread things in different directions. The wind scattered the leaves all over the yard. Spank. To hit someone, usually a child, on the bottom as a punishment. The parent spanked the child for misbehaving. Slam. To shut something with great force. She slammed the door in anger. Swat. To hit sharply, often with a flat object. She swatted the fly with a newspaper. Sprinkle. To scatter small drops or particles of a substance. She sprinkled salt over the dish. Please sprinkle water over the towel. Nuzzle. To rub or push gently with the nose or mouth. The cat nuzzled against my leg. Flap. To move something up and down or back and forth quickly. The bird flaps its wings before flying. Pounce. To suddenly jump or spring at something or someone. The cat pounced on the toy. Snatch. To quickly seize something in a rude or eager way. She snatched the book from my hands. Someone snatched her mobile on a bus. Nip. To pinch or squeeze sharply, to bite lightly. The puppy nipped at my fingers playfully. Juggle. To keep several objects in motion in the air at the same time by throwing and catching them. He can juggle 3 balls easily. Sweat. To produce moisture from the skin due to heat or stress. I always sweat when I exercise. Expel. To force someone to leave a place. The student was expelled for cheating. Drip. To let liquid fall in drops. Water dripped from the leaky faucet. Collide. To hit with force when moving. The cars collided on the road. Assault. To make a physical attack on someone. The man was arrested for assaulting a police officer. Overflow. To spill over the edge of a container. The cup of tea is overflowing. The bathtub overflowed because I forgot to turn off the tap. Gape. To stare with an open mouth, often in surprise or wonder. She gaped at the beautiful view from the top of the mountain. Beckon. To signal someone to come closer or follow. She beckoned me over to his table. Load. To put a large quantity of something into a container or vehicle. They loaded the boxes into the truck. Unload. To remove a large quantity of something from a container or vehicle. They unloaded the groceries from the car. Crumple. To crush something so that it becomes creased or wrinkled. He crumpled the piece of paper and threw it away. Brag. To talk with excessive pride about achievements or possessions. He always brags about his new car.